too strong. But the last one was the pachuga. And
Was it strong because it needed more water to make it smoother?
yeah, you could definitely it could use a little water.
No, well,
Some of
it's the way they're prepared. For example, the pechuga, they get that because they put the pechuga, the chicken breast or turkey breast on top. And then I think all the fat start coming.
Dripping. She
into
was
the
saying the
mezcal.
softer mezcals are made in clay pots. The stronger, more intense, and different flavors are made in copper pots. Fermented.
Everything depends on the mezcal maker.
And the maker.
Some people they use the copper stuff, and some use just the clay pot.
Just one.
So everything depends.
I've also seen ones with distillation tubes made out of wood.
Cool. Wow.
Some they're made with bamboo, carrizo.
Yeah, that's fascinating.
I'm gonna say, what, eat mangoes?